Did you know over 900 million people speak Mandarin as their first language? That's right. Mandarin isn't just a language, it's a cultural powerhouse, connecting nearly 1 billion people through words, stories and traditions that stretch back thousands of years. But hang on, English is spoken by more than 1.5 billion folks worldwide. It's the language you'll hear in airports, on the internet, in movies and in classrooms from Tokyo to Timbuktu. English is everywhere, and it's the bridge that connects people from every corner of the globe. So, which one wins the global crown? Is it Mandarin with its deep roots and massive native base? Or English, the reigning champ of international communication? Let's break it down and see how these two linguistic giants stack up. All right, let's kick things off with Mandarin Chinese. It's the world's heavyweight champ when it comes to native speakers. Over 900 million people call it their mother tongue. That's more than the entire population of Europe. Mandarin isn't just a language, it's a living, breathing part of daily life for nearly 1 in every 8 people on Earth. Why? Well, China's massive population definitely helps. With cities that never sleep and rural villages where traditions run deep, Mandarin is the thread that ties together a nation of incredible diversity. From the bustling streets of Beijing to the rice paddies of Yunnan, Mandarin is everywhere. Mandarin is spoken across China, Taiwan and even Singapore. In fact, it's the official language in all 3 places, and you'll hear it in schools, on TV and in government offices. But it doesn't stop there. Mandarin is also a key language in business and education throughout Asia. Plus, Chinese communities around the world keep it alive from New York to Kuala Lumpur. Walk through any Chinatown and you'll hear Mandarin echoing through markets, restaurants and family gatherings. It's a language that travels, adapting and thriving wherever Chinese people go. And thanks to the global Chinese diaspora, Mandarin is celebrated in festivals, taught in language schools and cherished as a link to heritage by millions living far from China's borders. And let's not forget, it's one of the oldest written languages still in use today. Impressive, right? The Chinese writing system dates back over 3,000 years, with beautiful characters that tell stories of emperors, poets and inventors. Learning to read and write Mandarin is like unlocking a treasure chest of history and culture. Whether you're practicing calligraphy with a brush or typing on your phone, Mandarin's unique characters connect the past and the present in a way few languages can. But what about English? Here's where things get spicy. English may not have as many native speakers as Mandarin, but it's the undisputed king of global communication. It's the language of science, business, diplomacy and pop culture. English isn't just the language of Shakespeare and Harry Potter, it's the global all-star. From classic literature to blockbuster movies, English shapes the stories we tell and the music we sing along to. It's the language of the internet, where memes, tweets and viral videos spread at lightning speed. In boardrooms, laboratories and newsrooms, English is the go-to language for sharing ideas and making deals. It's the default for international conferences, scientific journals and global media. More than 1.5 billion people speak it, whether they're native or just really enthusiastic learners. English is the most studied language in the world, with millions of students practicing every day, hoping to unlock new opportunities for travel, work and friendship. Thanks to the British Empire, and a little help from Hollywood, pop music and tech, English is now official in over 70 countries. Its influence stretches from the halls of government to the screens of your favourite streaming service. Social media, international education and global news all run on English. It's the language that lets you connect with people from Brazil to Bangladesh, and it's often the first choice for anyone looking to make friends or do business across borders. From airports to boardrooms and even your favourite memes, English is everywhere. It's the language of travel, commerce and digital culture, making it almost impossible to avoid in our connected world. So, who wins the battle of the tongues? If you're counting native speakers, Mandarin takes the trophy. It's the language of 1 billion hearts and minds, and its cultural legacy is unmatched. But if you want a language passport for travel, business or making friends online, English is your best bet. It opens doors in almost every country and gives you access to a world of information and entertainment. Of course, in today's world, technology is making it easier than ever to learn both languages. or even switch between them with a tap on your phone. Bilingualism is on the rise, and being able to speak both Mandarin and English is a superpower in the global job market. Either way, learning a new language opens up a whole world of possibilities. It's not just about words, it's about understanding new cultures, making friends and seeing the world through different eyes. So, which one will you choose? Will you dive into the poetic beauty of Mandarin or ride the global wave of English? The choice is yours, and whichever path you take, you're sure to discover a world that's bigger, brighter and more connected than ever before.